Africa Content TV.
Operational progress. Aluta, you do for me everything. Fire roll. First thing first, for us to do before I address you, we have to do 3 causes for the president of our country who has brought the goodies of democracy to all of us as drivers in Nigeria. We want us to stand up now and do 3 causes that will be louder that the president will hear at the House of Rock. 1, 2, 3, go! Go, sir! Go, sir! Go, sir! God bless you. Gbogbo wa pátápátá Yorùbá wà ń bí, Hausa wà ń bí, Igbo wà ń bí, Ibibio wà ń bí, Shekiri wà ń bí, Anambra, everybody. Just mention everybody in Nigeria are here. We are not in a political rally. Please, I want to tell you. If they ask you, the loyal members of the union, the loyal members of road employer, the loyal members of NATO, you address yourself and comport yourself gently. No, this is not a political rally. Ọlọ́lá jùlọ bàbá wa, wọ́n gbé ohun tí a bá máa lọ fi owó rà ní 1.something million, 1.5 close to 2 million. Wọ́n fẹ́ fi ṣe wá lóore, wọ́n ti fi ṣe wá lóore. Àti lọ́ọ̀nchì ti Kaduna ti Northern Park. Àti wà ń bí lẹ́nìí láti lọ́ọ̀nchì tẹ̀kọ́ láti kickstart ti South Western region. So, wùrùwùrù tá à ń ṣe, we are not in a political rally here. We be a former state chairman, LODW in Lagos State, Alhaji Tajudeen Agbede.
The next group is the Autogas Nigeria group. Under this group we have Autogas Universal Automatic Train Academy, Autogas Formula 1, Autogas 3 of Life, Autogas State Technology, Autogas City Mechanic, Autogas Forestry. These are the representatives from Council of And this will be the last group of conversion centers.
Madam, you are blocking person now. Hello.
Across social media pages, and the media will have this information available for everybody that wants to go and come back at their own cost. For Transport Union, it is 100% free. Now,
Hello. Hello. Bí a ti ṣe sẹ́ni yìí tán, àwọn 20 companies láti mú ní gbogbo local government Lagos State. Now, wọ́n máa issue voucher fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin tàbí fún ní free conversion yìí. Ẹyọ kọ̀ọ̀kan, each one is 1.2 million naira worth. But the president said we should give it to you free of charge. You will go to any of these companies, the union leadership will direct you, you will take your vehicle there, they will register it, they will put you on the internet, they will tell you where to buy your gas, and you are already on the scheme. Whenever you are buying gas, you will continue to tell us what you observe. So, see about the Shele Ito, if the party was in the state meeting, wọ́n máa pín bájà yín fún yín. Gbogbo èyí tẹ́ ti wá sí gbogbo ẹ̀ka tí wọ́n ti tẹ́ kó dá fọlọ́. Gbogbo yìí lè máa kọ̀ bá àdúgbò yìí o. Now, we will now go bàbá àgbàlagbà, bàbá àwọn ọmọ kékèké, our former national president, Alhaji Yasi, former deputy national president of the Nigeria Labour Congress. wọ́n máa bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ mi ò mọ̀ bóyá ìbò ló fẹ́ sọ o mi ò mọ̀ bóyá Yorùbá ní o mi ò mọ̀ pé Ìlọrin ló fẹ́ fi sọ o bóyá Alábìkìdá ní o ṣùgbọ́n bàbá Yasin máa bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí lẹ́yìn bàbá Yasin àmọ́ wá pé Alhaji Tafa Sego tọrọ ṣe fọ́tò náà.
Progress! 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 Uproad! 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 Up NATO! 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 أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. The CEO, the CNG, the SA, the president, the acting president of the Road Transport Workers here, the president of NATO ably represented here, president of Road Transport Employers, ably represented by the deputy president and the entire members, our state chairman from the southwest that are here, distinguished members of the press, ladies and gentlemen, you are all welcome to this very important program that affects the life of transportation in this country. We just witnessed the signing. The companies that are going to handle the conversion. We all just witnessed the signing now by all the transport unions across the country. These are the companies that they will be converting this vehicle for us. And I would like to use this opportunity to thank the organizers, headed by Engineer Mike and his team, for the good work they have been doing since the inception of this program to today. Today we are here to launch this program officially. We have started in Kaduna about 2 days ago. We are in Kaduna, and today we are here in Lagos to witness the signing in Lagos to cover all the samples. And I would like to use this opportunity to thank our old president, the President of Nigeria, His Excellency Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu GCFR, for palliative to assist the transport workers throughout the federation. As you can hear from the organizers, these kits, one with the cylinder costs over 1,200,000. But Mr. President said they should go, the commercial vehicle, they should go and convert it for us as free of charge. So we need to thank President Ahmed Bola Tinubu and his government and his team. And I would like to call on all of you here. All the transport unions in Nigeria are here. Road transport employers are here. The representative of the president is here. The NATO is here. The representative of NATO is here. The president of road transport workers are here and their team. You can see the members across the state and even the southwest of Nigeria. They are all here. And I would like to use this opportunity to commend the leadership of the union here in Lagos, NURTW, under Sego, that organize this gathering, and we appreciate you and your team, and we should all key into this program. The extent of this program by Mr. President is to ease the suffering of the masses. That is the purpose. And if you see transportation, if the transport fare is high, it's going to go down to even school fees and everything. But with the CNG gas, I think the price will come down, and automatically the prices of commercial vehicles should come down. And if it's come down, it will affect all the sectors of the economy. And that is the aim of the Mr. President, President Oluomo, by introducing this program. And we are involved to make sure that this thing go around as it was stimulated. We have started in Kaduna, we are here in Lagos today, we are going to Abuja. From Abuja, it will move down to each state, other states. The all 36 states would have this free conversion kit, so that they can test run and see the importance, so that they can tell their members, everybody, road users, that this CNG is something that is working. So we thank Mr. President and all the entire, the engineer, his team, for the good work to make this day a reality on behalf of the transport workers in Nigeria, in the whole country. The entire transport workers in Nigeria, we commend our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for this gesture, and we assure him that his aim, we should make sure that we carry it out by bringing the cost of vehicle down to the masses. I thank all of you for finding time to be here, and by the time we end this program, we'll be going back. We pray may the Almighty Allah take each and every one of us back to our respective destination. Thank you very much, and God bless you all.
Work together! Shout together!
After this program, they have started the conversion. So we have gotten the list of the company that are holding the conversion here in Lagos, so that we'll look at the very area close to you. We can send your vehicle there for conversion. We said we should submit, the Lagos State have submitted names, vehicles of 150 vehicles to be test run to start with. Then I'll call on the NATO employers, Mr. President, employers, please, you send the list of your own members for the conversion, so that yes, if you want to bring it, NATO should bring their own list too, so that everybody is not left out. This one, the program is for Nigeria. It's for all the transport workers. For the person here is for the commercial vehicles. So please, now these are the cylinder, and these are Mr. Commissioner. I think, Mr. Commissioner, I think we should test run and get about 2-3 local governments in Lagos, so that we have this conversion as that's what we did in Kaduna. So let us have representatives, let us 3, those that we are converting their vehicles. Let us have 3 in each local government. 3 now.